are live. I
Oh my
hope you're
God,
live.
oh
We
my
haven't
gosh.
done this before, so please bear with us.
Hello, everyone.
If you see us, that's good. I hope this is working. We are total newbies at this, so
That's
I hope we
right.
won't totally embarrass ourselves.
Yeah, it's kind of dark over here. I'm going to turn this light on.
Okay, turn the light on. So we are so excited to be together again because we haven't been in so long, and we just thought it'd be fun to do something different. We haven't done this before.
And for St. Patrick's Day.
And St. Patrick's Day, wearing the green, got the green on.
That's right. That's right.
Um,
And to celebrate the occasion, Kathy, I think we should start out with some mimosas. What do you think?
I love a mimosa, a Ma'am Talk mimosa.
Okay.
So if you have mimosas ready, handy, share with us.
Please.
Little bit of champagne there. I love that cute little personal sized champagne bottle.
Well, you know, you can only drink so much champagne. At least I can. Only drink so much champagne. So I thought, these little bottles are perfect.
That's awesome.
Okay, so what's the ratio? Half and half?
It's kind of whatever you want it to be.
Okay, we're going to go with half and half.
It's only noon, so
It's close. Close enough to celebration time. Here you go,
pretty,
Kathy.
pretty.
It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh, I think mine's larger.
Figures. Well, cheers to,
Cheers to being
the year
back
behind
together.
us, back
Yes.
together.
Yes,
Cheers
yes,
to
yes,
you
yes.
guys for following and subscribing and just kind of supporting us.
And joining us today, to you.
I love mimosas.
You know what? I haven't had mimosas. I bet you it's been more than 18 years.
Whoa,
Yeah.
that is too long, girlfriend.
Yeah. Really. Unbelievable.
Wow. Good?
I should have been having them all these years.
You've been missing
It's
out.
delicious. Yeah.
So,
So what are we doing today, Kathy?
well, we are.
Wait.
What?
What is that? What
This
is
pretty
that?
little thing.
Yeah.
This actually, there's this lovely lady named Marisol, and she makes these holders. Not only are they a mask holder, they also will hold glasses if you take this off
Oh,
and
I
connect
need
them.
that. Uh-huh.
It's also a necklace, and these are gorgeous onyx.
Real onyx?
Yep, real onyx.
Oh my gosh.
14 karat gold. They won't tarnish. She
What's
uses-
the name? Where do you get it?
So her site is soulsearchjewelry.com, and I'm going to put it on
Soul
the website.
like S-O-U-L?
SOL Search
Oh, soul
Jewelry.
like the
SOL
sun.
Searchjewelry.com. And she has other things other than this. Beautiful stuff, beautiful handmade stuff. And
I love
Ma'am
onyx.
Talks 10 for a discount. So again, we're going to put this up on the site. You'll get all the information, but it really is, these really are pretty. And again, we have our masks, we have our towels from the Mercantile, we have the boutique here, and we also still have our Loki's workshop. Again, we'll put them all up on the website. So today,
So, yes.
I thought it was my idea.
Just to take credit right away.
I thought it'd be fun to do something green.
My platter.
Oh, goodness gracious. I brought the orange juice. So we're gonna just make a really pretty green platter. And and as a dip, we've got artichoke and spinach dip, and it's green.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
So
She did
do you
bring
wanna,
the green
you wanna
dye.
start saying what we have for the vegetables, and then you can start
You
like
brought
designing.
just a beautiful array of green vegetables.
I
She
did.
has green tomatoes. Oh my God, that looks like an heirloom
And
tomato.
they're
That
not
is
fried.
gorgeous.
They're not fried.
And this beautiful green apple, and she has a green pear that is gorgeous.
So there you go. You can start making something out of
And
this.
oh my God, these grapes look
They're really
so
sweet.
Yes, I snuck one in before. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
So I'm trying to decide.
And you also have this head of broccoli. Do we want to chop up the broccoli, or do we want to leave
Well,
it
you're
like
going to
this?
make a design here. Are you going to make a face or?
No,
a
I think we should
building?
just, no, I think it should just be beautiful display.
Okay, so here's some lines.
I think we should separate the broccoli, because if we
Okay.
don't, then people won't be able to eat it as easily.
All the people that we have with us today.
Well, me, okay.
Are we having a party?
I count. It's all about me.
Yes.
It's all
So
about
I'll
me.
cut it into its little.
I want the crackers to look pretty. She also made
dropping everything.
zucchini into rounds, which are gorgeous.
Yes, she did.
And I'm going to start putting them, I think it'll be a smile, zucchini smile.
Okay, I've got food all over the floor here for you.
Well, don't put it on the platter.
I won't.
Thank you.
I hope this is coming through. Again, we've never done this before, so I hope it's working. Let's see. Keep on. I'm going to check
What
this.
else do you have? Well, she has, I want to put more of this tomato. I mean, this is just gorgeous, this tomato. I was thinking last night how I cannot wait for the summer when I can eat those fresh tomatoes from my garden. Oh my God, I'm looking forward to that.
Guess who I just saw?
Who?
Marisol.
Hi,
Hey,
Marisol!
Marisol.
Marisol, your jewelry is beautiful.
You really have to check out her stuff. She's got
I
really
will.
nice things. Really nice things. Thanks for supporting us, Marisol. We love you.
Oh, she also cut out these beautiful green peppers
There's a lot of green when you go to the
to the market.
vegetables and fruit department. Here's some pear.
Did you go to the farmer's market?
No, I haven't been to the farmer's market in a long time.
You know, they changed our farmer's market from my usual spot to a brand new area. And
Wait, is
I
that
am
the one
a
in Newhall?
creature of
In
habit.
Newhall?
No, the one here at the
Oh.
college. And I like my old spot.
You know, a really good farmer's market. Marisol, you probably know this, is Studio City.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Where
I
is
love
it in Studio
that.
City?
Right off of Laurel, right before you get to Ventura, which is my home away from home.
Oh my gosh, yes, that's where she grew up.
Yes.
Oh, that pear, that apple looks great. And
No,
the
this
pear,
is
I
really
think we
pretty.
need more pear.
Okay.
I'm gonna put more of those.
If Anna wants more pear,
Well, I
Guess
like
what?
it to look really crowded. Really crowded because
see, this makes me miss having, you know, I love to entertain and I love when we've had, in the olden days when we could entertain. And I can't wait again to have friends and family over. And
by the way,
just-
what's made all the difference to us is that we're all over 65 and we've all been vaccinated. And we waited our time after the vaccinations to make sure we were all okay. And what a difference. I did have friends over not long ago, last week, and we sat outside, but oh, just being able to be with friends is so therapeutic.
and I know we are both vaccinated.
That's right.
Now, we still are careful. I still follow all the rules when I leave my house, so
Yes.
I know that's a big deal.
Oh
But
my God, look at this. This is like
It's
a
gorgeous.
green feast.
But I
this is
can't-
amazing.
I can't wait for everybody to be able to get the vaccination. And I know it's really hard in a lot of areas. So I have a friend who they're just doing it kind of wonky, so she has not been able to get the vaccine. Okay, here's avocado.
There's more zucchini.
I don't know where to put it.
Oh.
This is prettier than I thought it would be.
This is gorgeous, Kathy. What a beautiful idea.
Thank you.
She takes credit for everything.
I do. So this is just kind of fun. Again, I don't know. We haven't done this before. We'll see how well it comes out. We'll see if anybody besides Marisol watched us. We appreciate it, Marisol. And we're just going to keep doing fun stuff here.
Oh my God, I love this. If I would have known this last week when I had friends over, I would have made one of these platters.
Say hi to Cindy.
Hi, Cindy.
Cindy in Texas.
Hi, Cindy in
Cindy
Texas.
is my old neighbor.
Cheers to you.
But she's not old, my young,
Oh, yeah.
adorable neighbor. And thank you for popping in, Cindy.
None of us are old, Cindy.
You know, my daughter is moving to Texas.
That's right.
Don't make me
That's right.
cry. Don't make me cry. So
Texas is only a skip and a hop away.
yeah, it's only a 21-hour quick drive over
Yeah.
the hill.
I told her we'll do it. We'll do it. We'll just get in the car and go.
Yeah. Can we take each other for 21 hours? Well, if
Did you hear what she just
well, I
said?
included you as well as not taking me.
Can
we take-
that thought never occurred to me.
Whatever.
I think we're such good friends. It would be awesome, fun. No, I can't believe this.
We'll be fine. We'll be
Traitor.
fine.
Oh, my soul, it hurt.
No,
It's
it
hurt.
doesn't.
No.
Well, look at that. That's so pretty.
Oh, this is amazing.
Let's have a party. Who wants to come to my party?
Oh my gosh. And let us not forget the beautiful green dip. This is
Oh, that's
this is-
artichoke dip.
Yes, but it has
And spinach. Artichoke and spinach dip.
Oh my God, Kathy, this is
Are
amazing.
you going to taste it? Are you brave
Yes, I
enough?
think I will. I think I'll go with the string bean, because I love string beans.
I think there's nothing here. I don't think I've ever had a green tomato.
Fried green tomatoes.
That's a movie. We kind of have been munching on a lot of stuff today.
Kathy,
Yes.
fried green tomatoes were around before the movie.
Oh, I just
By the
never
way,
had 'em.
that is one of the best movies in the world.
Fried
I
green
love,
tomato?
yes, I love that movie.
Who's in it?
Jessica Tandy
That's right. Oh, I love Jessica Tandy.
and Kathy Bates.
I love Kathy Bates.
She is amazing in that movie. But
She's
the
hysterical.
movie itself is just awesome. It's
I love
just
her.
awesome.
I love Jessica Tandy, and Kathy Bates she's just too funny.
I don't know if it's the green, but this dip is very good. It's very, very good.
Marisol likes green tomatoes.
Yes!
This is really, really so weird, you guys, because, I mean, we just have a couple of you watching that I know of, but it's kind of fun, so we'll probably try it again.
Absolutely.
Again, all this information that we talk about now is always on the website, www.amtalks.com, and it's on our YouTube little ticker tape that runs along. We have all the information on all these products, these Etsy and Marisol's Soul Search jewelry. This has just been fun, and hopefully we can do it again.
Can I just say, guys, thank you so much for all of you who subscribe, because we are doing so well. Our videos are getting thousands of views. I mean, we have thousands of subscribers. I'm just amazed. And it's like having a group of friends.
I know.
It's wonderful. Your comments are great. I love it. We answer every single comment that comes in. And we love it.
We're also, this we will put up on our
YouTube
website and on YouTube.
Yes.
I keep walking over because it's hard to see back that far to see who is there and who is joined, and I don't know.
I don't know
This
why
is
I'm
kind of
holding
fun.
this. I think I'll put it down. Kathy, you need to try something.
Oh,
What do you
I
want
didn't
to
try something. With the dip, probably a cracker.
How safe can you play it?
Very safe. I go small, go big or go home. I'm like, go small or go home. Oh, it's so small, it's cracking up. I love the green.
It looks so pretty.
that
Everything
is
looks
a
so
good dip.
pretty. And notice
Ooh.
we're wearing green for St. Patrick's. You know, when I first came to the United States with my family
From Cuba.
from Cuba, we went to a school in New York City that was all Irish. And they had us practicing. We didn't know a word of English. They had us practicing this dance. And we were very excited. We knew we were going to be on stage and there was going to be a play. So the day before the play, we go home with this box, and in it was an outfit for us to wear. And it was this weird outfit. It had short brown pants, and it had this green top with a belt, and this hat that had a little hook.
Sounds like
and
Halloween.
my sister and I like, what is this? Well, we were leprechauns.
Oh,
And,
no.
You know, my
Wait,
mother
who was
was
it
the one
from?
that figured it out.
Who was the box from?
Oh, it was the school gave us the
Oh.
outfit that we were going to wear on stage, but I mean, Adele and I didn't know the word leprechaun. We didn't understand. So my mother explained it to us. You know, where's the leprechaun, the tradition in Ireland, and it was fun. It was fun. To this day, I can still do the steps.
Please
Believe
don't.
it. I do. You are being mean today.
Remember before we sign off here, last year, the year before, when I wasn't mad at Ellen, we wanted so bad to get on to that, what is it, 12 days of Christmas,
box,
whatever, she gives
yeah.
everything away. And so to do that, you had to send in a video of yourselves, and so doing something. So we dressed as elves, and I made up a song.
And we sang.
She does anything I tell her to. It's the funniest thing in the world. Like,
She's always
really?
like, do you want to do this? I said, sure.
Okay.
Sure.
I got us on a game show. Anyway, she's, I'm not sure what I can say about that.
I'm supportive. Let's just put it that way.
Anyway, thank you to our friends that chimed in and put up with this stuff today. I hope we do it again. soulsearchjewelry.com. Again, it will be up on the website. And Marisol, thank you so much for this absolutely beautiful piece. I think because I wear my glasses so much, I'm gonna stick it on to the
It's double
glasses
duty.
because I lose my glasses all the time.
And I gotta say, most of the time, and I've done this and I hate it, I see people in the store with it, you hook your mask to one ear.
That looks really dumb.
It looks pretty nerdy.
Then you do put the mask on and off, so
Yes.
why not just have it ready to go,
Yes, I like that
right?
idea.
And it's charming.
I think we should toast again.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you for joining us.
Bye, guys. Love you.
Bye. Have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. Bye-bye.